When you open the hood of this car, many of you will get emotional because you won't see the loud, shaking, gasoline-hungry old V8 you've loved for years. But the moment you press the gas pedal, your brain will go into shock in 1/10 of a second, and you'll forget the entire past for a brief moment. Let's be honest. Is Dodge deceiving us? Or are they truly rewriting the laws of physics? By the end of this video, I'll show you a hidden feature of this beast that will make you understand exactly why it's called Hurricane. Because this isn't just an engine change, it's the end of an era, and the beginning of a new, perhaps even more dangerous one. The world is becoming a boring place, isn't it? Everywhere you look, it's filled with egg-shaped electric boxes designed purely for aerodynamics. And then Dodge shows up. When you look at the 2026 Charger, you realize that some people still refuse to play by the rules. It's as if the designers dug up the legendary spirit of the 1960s from its grave and dressed it in modern armor. Those wide shoulders, that dark, aggressive stare. From the front, this car doesn't look like it was built for you to control it. It looks like it was built to hunt you. This time, Dodge gives us a choice. You can go with the classic 2-door Wild Coupe, or choose the 4-door sedan to carry your family at high speed. But whichever you choose, that muscular fastback stance remains unchanged. This car looks fast even when standing still. Even at rest, it intimidates the cars around it. American engineering is telling us, yes, we're modern, but we still understand your fears. Now, let's step into this time machine. The moment you open the door, the tough spirit of the 1960s greets you. But it's just an illusion. The leather seats are so premium they wrap around your body like a glove. When you grab the famous pistol-shaped gear shifter, the pistol grip, you feel the cold metal in your palm. It gives you a strange sense of power, as if you're not taking control of a steering wheel, but commanding an army. And those screens? The 16-inch digital cluster is as responsive as the latest iPhone. Everything reacts instantly. Forget the old Dodge interiors. Those cheap plastic days are gone. Now everything is covered in soft materials, precise stitching, and intelligent design. But the real magic happens at night. The ambient lighting transforms the cabin into something that makes you feel like you're in the cockpit of a fighter ship from Blade Runner. Everything is luxurious. Everything feels expensive. Yet everything is still just as wild. The 18-speaker Alpine sound system is so powerful that even if you don't hear the engine, the music's vibration will travel through your bones. Now let's get to the main point. Under the hood lies the Hurricane, a 3-liter inline-6 twin-turbo storm. Forget the numbers for a moment. Just know this. This car has enough power to embarrass those expensive, arrogant Italian sports cars next to you at a traffic light and send them home in tears. The RT version delivers 420 horsepower, already intimidating. But the real madness begins with the Scat Pack, 550 wild horses. How does this engine work? 2 small but furious turbos suck in air simultaneously and force it into the engine with such pressure that the moment you touch the gas pedal, the world pauses for a second. 0 to 100 in just 3.5 seconds. This isn't acceleration. This is the bending of space and time. When your internal organs stick to your spine, you'll understand that Dodge engineers weren't joking when they built this engine. Yes, it's not a V8, but it's smarter, faster, and maybe even more ruthless. So how does all that power behave on the road? This time, Dodge made all-wheel drive standard. But don't worry, this isn't one of those boring computer-controlled systems. This one has a soul. In the Scat Pack, you can shape the car however you want. If you choose, it becomes a monster clawing at the asphalt, gripping the road with all 4 tires. But with one button? Yes, just one button. You can send all the power to the rear and turn it into the old hooligan that drowns the world in tire smoke. This car offers you the choice to be smart, and when necessary, to become completely insane. The Dodge Charger is back. Smarter, faster, more luxurious, but just as terrifying. Now go grab that pistol grip shifter tight and show the world what real American muscle is. The Hurricane is already at your door, and it has no intention of leaving anyone alive. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Did this new Hurricane engine manage to replace the old V8? Make sure to write it in the comments. And most importantly, which 2026 model do you want to see in the next video? Whichever brand and model gets the most requests in the comments will be the subject of my next big review. So write your choice, and I'll read every single comment. See you soon.